Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 14.5 question number 9. Draw any angle with vertex O. Take a point A on one of its arms and B on another such that OA is equal to OB. Draw perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. Let them meet at P. Is PA is equal to PB? Let us take one angle, any angle with vertex O. Let us take any angle. Let us take the ruler first. Right? We have taken the ruler. We draw a line. We draw a line here. We have taken 7 centimeter here, right? And let us take another with vertex. So let us take another angle. Let us take any angle. Here also we are taking 6.5 centimeter. Here we also taken 7 centimeter. Right? Now we have to take this vertex as O. Let the vertex be O. Let this is point vertex is O. This is O. Right? Now take a point A on its one of its arms. Take a point A on one of its arms. Let us take here from 0. From 0 we are taking point A at 5 centimeter, right? We are taking point A at 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter here, this is 5 centimeter. Here you see, this is 5 centimeter. Let us write here. Let us write it as A. This point is A. OA, that is 5 centimeter. Let us take another point B, that is also 5 centimeter. Therefore, OA equal to AB. Let us take another length. Another length as 5 centimeter. Let us take 5 centimeter here. Let us take another point B, that is also 5 centimeter. Here this point is B. This is B point. This point is B. right? This is also 5 centimeter. Therefore, OA is equal to OB, right? Now, such that OA is equal to OB, OA is equal to AB is equal to 5 centimeter, right? Therefore, you can write here, here's that OA is equal to OB, and I have taken it as 5 centimeter. Taken it as 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, right? Now draw perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. Let them meet at P. You have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Therefore, you have to take one compass. Let us draw the perpendicular bisector here. Let us draw the perpendicular bisector. Let us draw the perpendicular bisector here. Let this pointer meet at, the pointer is at O, and more than half of the line we will take an arc, right? Let us take an arc here, right? Again, let us take this pointer at point A, let's take this pointer at point A and draw a curve, right? And again, take this pointer at point A and draw another curve. Draw another curve, right? And take the pointer at point O, take the pointer at point O and draw another curve, right? Now you will get the perpendicular bisector. Here, draw the line of perpendicular bisector. Here you are drawing the perpendicular line of perpendicular bisector, right? We'll draw the perpendicular bisector here, right? We'll draw the perpendicular bisector, right? We've done the perpendicular bisector here. This is the perpendicular bisector. Let us again draw the perpendicular bisector of OB, right? Take the pointer here at point O, take the pointer at point O and draw a curve, let us increase this length, right? Let us draw one curve here, take this pointer at point O, and draw one curve, right? Now take this pointer at point B and draw another curve to meet the curve. Let's take the pointer at point B and take a curve, right? Again, take the pointer at point O, take the pointer at point O and draw another curve, Take the pointer at point O and draw another curve. This is point O. Draw another curve, right? And take the pointer at point B. Take the pointer at point B and draw another curve, right? Now let us join the line. Join the line. Now join the line. Now we are joining the line, right? We join the line and let the perpendicular bisector meet at the point P, right? Let the perpendicular bisector meet at the point P. This is point P. Now if we draw PA and PB, draw a line PA and PB, draw this line, that is P and PB, draw this line PA and PB. Draw this line as PA and PB. Now draw this line. Right? Here you are getting the result. Now you see, let them meet at P, they meet at P, and is PA equal to PB? Let us measure PA and PB. What is PA? PA is 3 centimeter, and what is PB? PA is 3 centimeter and PB is also nearly 3 centimeter, right? And both the lines are same. Therefore, we can say that PA is equal to PB, right? By measurement, we can say that PA is equal to PB. That PA is equal to PB. Here, they meet is PA equal to PB? Yes. Yes, PA is equal to PB. PA equal to PB, right? Here, let us repeat once again. Draw any angle with vertex O. This is vertex O. Take a point A on it one of its arms. So we take a point A on its arms and B on another such that OA equal to AB. We have taken OA and OB as 5 centimeter. Right. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. You have drawn the perpendicular bisector. The name of this perpendicular bisector is SP SM, and the perpendicular bisector of OB is XY, X and Y, right? XY, right? These are the perpendicular bisector and they meet at the point P, right? They let them meet at point P. Is PA equal to PB? Yes, by measurement we find that this line PB is equal to PA. This is the solution of question number 9 of question number 9 of exercise 14.5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.